Hi, it's Heidi. So I was nominated to do a video of nature and appreciating what's around us, which I love to do. But I have been working and I don't get to have my sunrises and sunsets quite like I used to. So when I have my breaks, I'm actually going home now, but when I have my breaks, I'm actually going around the hospital and just looking for different places that I can sit and just meditate a little bit. So here's one of the places that you can see all the cactus. Here's another area I like to walk through. I wish I could roll down this hill. Look at, that would be fun. I don't know. Probably break a bone. It seems fun. And then I love this tree. Oh, and look at this. How cool is this? Hello. It says friendship and peace. Can you see that? And look, this is my favorite tree. Look at all the pretty blossoms. And then check this tree out. It's so smooth. And I'll just come by and like rub it, touch it. People think I'm probably weird, but I don't care. And the beautiful birds of paradise. So can you see them? Here's another little pathway. Do you see all the trees? It says on my way to my car. And that's where I park, in that building up there. I'm going to show you the view from there in a minute. Okay, so on my way to my car, there's these little beauties. Just things I notice on my way. Okay, and once I get up on top to get my car, this is the view I stop to look at. I don't know if you can see the moon. I just take a pause here before I get in traffic. Okay, and it's usually really beautiful over here too, but it's getting a little dark so you can't really see the Sangero Mountains. I'll take that another day. So there's my nature stuff for today. I'll do it again soon and post it. Thanks for nominating me, Jason, and actually it was Georgina. Georgina, thanks for nominating me, but Jason, I enjoyed yours too. Thanks for the love mention. And so yeah, looking forward to doing this again. This was fun.